Hello students, welcome back to my channel Writing Skills for All. Are you preparing for your class 6 English first summative evaluation? Today, I will help you write 5 easy sentences on your hobby. So, today's topic is my hobby 5 sentences class 6 English West Bengal Board of Secondary Education revision lesson. And today's question is write 5 sentences on your hobby. Use the following hints. What do you do in your free time? Describe it. How much you enjoy doing it? Do you learn anything from it? So, let's start writing the answer. My hobby. In my free time. Free time. I like reading storybooks. Storybooks. It is my favorite hobby. I read different kinds of books. Such as adventure, and fairy tales. I enjoy reading very much because it makes me happy and relaxed. I also learn many new words and ideas from my books. Dear students, please remember always write short, clear sentences and follow the given hints carefully. Now tell me in the comments what is your favorite hobby. If you liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Writing Skills for All. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.